I'm Chris.
I'm Tammy.
I'm Cole.
And I'm Allison.
Welcome to our home. Today we want to talk to you guys about Funko Pops. We bought some, we're going to unbox them, but they're not just standard Funko Pops.
They're mystery boxes.
They're mystery boxes. Funko Pops. We're going to be giving this Dumbo Funko Pop away. We're going to tell you guys how in just a little while. But until then, we're going to unbox some for ourselves, and we have no idea what they look like on some of them.
But we see
You don't know what they
box.
look like?
No.
Alright, so we have seen the box, but we don't know much else other than maybe some of the contents. If you're wondering while Allison's getting those, we have expanded out our space here. We've brought in a few things. We have the Swiss Family Robinson boat, or at least, you know, close to it. A replica. And then we've brought in some more Funko Pops.
I've been
So
waiting
we're
to do
going
this
to
one.
check these out. I guess we can do this one last, right?
Yes, best for last.
Oh, the best for last. Oh, I thought you were trying to open it right now.
We can do that.
What would you rather do, right now or last?
No.
Now, okay. So Allison's going to work on opening this. Now, what is this one? It's
This-
Disney.
Ariel.
You sure it's all Ariel?
It looks like just mostly.
It looks like it's Ariel.
Alright, so it's something having to do with underwater.
The sea, yes. It looks more like Ariel.
Alright.
It has her shell in the front.
So, these came from Hot Topic, is where we bought them. We're not sponsored by them in any way. We did this to try and beat the Disney blues. You know, when you're not at Disney and you want to be at Disney, this is a good way to get around it.
Looks like a
It's
Moana.
Moana.
Oh, it's a card game it looks like.
It's
Is it?
Moana.
You open it.
So this is
Next, we
Moana.
got the pin from
The
Nemo.
Funko. It's from Funko.
Oh, okay.
This is a
Neither be
Nemo
something
pin.
funny.
Nemo pin.
So it's not just, must be like an under the sea.
Yeah.
A little magnet.
Oh, Allie, you better look down.
Oh, that's a slick
I
magnet.
saw it.
Oh my goodness.
That's a sweet.
Yeah, it's cool.
Here, let me flip it over.
Oh yeah.
Easy, easy.
This is a process of
This will probably
unboxing.
actually go. I don't know what's gonna happen with it.
Alright.
This is my personal favorite. They don't make us let it stay in the studio. I'm taking it to my room.
This one stays in the studio, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so look.
You gonna show
You get the box, we get the Funko Pop. No? So
I can work with that.
here's the Ariel Little Mermaid.
I'm gonna open.
You're gonna open that.
And y'all can
While you're
help
opening that, we
Something
have this
Funko.
sweet
Nemo.
Nemo magnet.
Oh, that would be cool. Put it somewhere.
For now, we'll put it up here.
I think this is just the jug.
Hey, Dad,
So-
found him.
If there's something in here.
Oh yes, you just found Nemo. Very good.
There's something in here.
Okay, what is it?
Ooh, blind bag.
There's a blind bag.
It's something Funko.
Clear off the face so people can see what you
Oh,
got.
that's kind of neat.
Oh, that's cute.
It's Moana.
It's a little
It's
Moana.
a little
Funko
mini
Pop.
Funko.
And you put her in her.
Will she stand by herself? Yeah. Very good.
She's got like a honey.
And here's the Nemo pin.
Nemo.
Does anyone know what this guy's name is?
No, but it's a girl.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do I know what it is?
Her name's Squirt.
I was thinking it was
I
Squirt.
don't know. So
Squirt's
it would
the
just make
Squirt's
sense.
the turtle.
Oh, the turtle.
Oh, that's right.
But it would make more sense for her to be Squirt.
Yeah,
I don't know.
maybe her name's Ink or something, or Inky, or who knows.
Inky.
But it makes sense. She's an ink
I think it's
hen.
actually Pinky. Pretty sure. Anyway,
Word.
doesn't matter.
Probably
You may not see this, but
It worked.
All right, so this box cost us $32.50, I think, and we
My
used a $15 off coupon from a previous purchase.
we had hot butt.
Hot
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 cash.
cat.
What are you gonna unbox, Cole? You're next.
I'm trying this Lilo instead.
All right,
Now,
Jimmy, you're gonna
guy
unbox that one, I'm
at the
guessing.
Hot Topic said this was his favorite.
Hmm.
I'm just gonna say that.
So,
There's some furry in there.
hey,
Oh, it
What
smells.
is that?
Like, I think it
She's
smells.
scented. Oh, she is.
She
it's-
smells kind of like a bear.
Yeah, it's. Oh, maybe not.
Oh, this is the thing that's scented right here. It says so on the box, but it's a
flip it around.
Lilo, like,
This is
What are they?
Stitch.
Lilo and
That's what I meant.
Stitch. This is a Stitch like
Oh.
Tiki Stitch.
yeah.
So we have a
Tiki
scented
scented.
Tiki Stitch.
It's supposed to smell pineapple.
That's
Oh, very cool. And so what was this? This has got
That's
beans in the
Angel.
bottom. It's got beans down here to hold Angel up. Like that maybe? Yep.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
She can't hold up.
Ah!
The second Funko box thing that's like smaller.
I can smell the pineapple.
This is a lot easier to take out.
Alright, you gotta let me smell the pineapple.
It smells the pineapple. You
Oh, it
know?
does. It smells like pineapple.
Okay, so I'm gonna
Can't
put
smell
it
it.
Stitch next to Ariel because it's pineapple, and pineapple reminds you of a tropical beach.
Oh, this is a cool one.
Oh.
What is that?
It has the bra on it.
Oh, that's the one where he's got the bra on his head. That's funny.
Is it a swimsuit?
Alright, you got one more thing in here.
So,
This was in here too.
yeah.
This is a 626
Keychain.
keychain. This will be for Cole on his car
Yeah.
that he doesn't have. But one day, Cole will have a car.
I'm not sure I'll put it on my car, but maybe.
It goes on his keys going there.
That's what I'm at.
So,
Okay, I see.
this is the Dumbo box.
Okay, so it says what it has. Let's see what they have. Okay, it's got a pin, a badge, keychain, a figure in the tin, a coin purse, a vinyl figure, and a pin.
Alright,
Now-
So, do we get
A
to
pin?
So
Like
do
a
we get to
pin.
keep the? Oh my goodness! This is mine.
This is a key. This is the.
This is so
stuff.
cute.
So this is the pin.
Oh, that's cool.
This is the pin.
Heck, y'all have to show people.
Yeah.
This is the Dumbo pin.
It's a
thing.
fun-
You can open that, and I'll open.
It's a Funko Pop.
Cole, you can open this.
This is the coin purse. It's a
this-
little peanut, and then it has the Dumbo. This is so
Definitely
cute.
taking this Disney. I collect Dumbo, so I'm probably gonna keep this one for
That's
myself.
really cute.
This is a Dumbo in a bag.
Let me see.
I'm probably gonna keep that because I collect Dumbo.
Now, this is a Dumbo, and you're right, it is a Disney pin. It even has
The little numbers.
the numbers on the back.
That's cool.
So that is a sweet Dumbo pin.
So if you're really itching to get some pins somewhere, Hot Topic's a good place to go. Then I got, gosh, this is so hard to get off. Oh, look at the front. But it's a Dumbo the Clown keychain.
Oh, we got the mouse.
So I'll have two buddies on my keychain.
And then here's the little mini Dumbo Funko Pop.
This is the mouse, and then this is the
The Dumbo.
baby Dumbo. Just gonna look at put all this in the stand.
Alright, so take all the Dumbo stuff and set it all out here. Not the trash, obviously. Nobody wants to see the trash. This is
This is like
66.
a boat.
You know what? If you don't want this, I may put it on my key ring. I don't know, maybe.
I don't have a key ring.
We'll see.
You can have it.
Alright, so in the Dumbo box, first off, I think the box is probably as sweet as they come.
I do too. I think the box is really cute.
You get in the Dumbo box, you get a
You get the
Funko,
We don't know if it's
you
this
get a
exactly.
keychain. Well, we would guess it is.
Yeah.
You get a keychain, you get the coin purse,
Get a pin.
you get a pin,
You get 2 pins.
and you get this little
Where's the
tiny
other pin?
Funko guy.
Where's the pink?
Oh, sorry. And
2
you get
pins.
this pin.
Except one's completely different. But yeah.
Okay, let's see if it works. It works.
Alright.
I had to touch.
So what we have for you guys,
You can get some of this stuff too, but it's all different.
well, I don't think it is. I think that's the same things in every box. You can't see what they are when you get them. So if you like these and you would like this box, we're going to be giving this box away. So here's what you have to do. Okay, so in order to win this, what are they going to have to do, Tammy?
Okay, so in order to win, we would like for you guys to comment down below and provide some sort of ideas on videos that you would like to see. So anything you would be interested in seeing, please make that suggestion. And you can make more than one suggestion, and whoever has the best idea will have Cole and Allison judge. You will be named the winner.
Now that doesn't mean they're going to judge just on what kids like, right? They're going to judge on what they think also is the best idea out of whatever y'all come up with. So the winner of the giveaway will be announced during our upcoming video, where we will announce it from Walt Disney World during Moonlight Magic, somewhere close to the 1st of June. And so be looking for that video, watch it through, and at some point during that we will announce it while at Walt Disney World. And so if you like the video, be sure and like and subscribe. Don't forget, put those comments down below so that we can contact you and let you know who wins.
And also check out our Facebook page and our website at www.managingmickey.com.
And until next time,
From
From our house to yours.